Are you a dunce?
Yeah.
Put on the hat again, Duncey. Hey, you actually know how to put it on.
Camera.
No.
Camera.
No, not Duncey.
Camera.
You got to turn off, Duncey. Okay, Duncey. Slowly get your mom without any stupid ideas.
Camera.
Get your mommy.
I want the camera.
Duncey, get your mommy.
Camera.
Duncey, get your mommy.
Okay.
Come on, Duncey. That was so funny. Okay.
You guys ready for us to watch it?
Yeah.
Let's watch the Old Spice commercial. The man
And your man can smell like. Get spoofed.
Hello, parents. Look at your kid. Now back to me. Now back at your kid. Now back to me. Sadly, your child is not